हेलो सत्वाइस, वी आर बैक। हम वापस आ गए हैं आपके सबसे मनपसंद प्रोग्राम सत्व नेटवर्क में। आप सत्व नेटवर्क के प्रोग्राम में हमेशा कुछ नया सीखते हैं, है ना। आपके ज्ञान को यूं ही बरकरार रखिए और देखते रहिए सत्व नेटवर्क लर्निंग अनलिमिटेड।
Counting numbers is always fun, isn't it? So, to make our mathematics even more stronger, we have Navya who is going to teach us backward counting in a lyrical way. Only on Sattva Network, be connected.
Hello friends, do you know backward counting? Let's learn together. Five fat turkeys standing by the door. One waddled off, and then there were four fat turkeys under a tree. One waddled off, and then there were three fat turkeys, nothing to do. One waddled off, and then there were two fat turkeys in midday sun. One waddled off, and then there was one fat turkey better run away, for soon it will be chilly day. Thank you.
Sattva Network, forever learning. Sattva Network.
Science and creativity, maths and creativity. Many people think that maths and science has nothing to do with creativity. No, that's not true. Creativity is not being afraid to be different. It takes madness to jump to an idea that no one else believes in. We have a young Sattvites, Yama from senior KG and Heth from grade 5 to showcase their creative talent only on Sattva Network. Learning Unlimited.
हेलो एवरीवन, देखो मेरे पास क्या है। बोल, स्पून, भिंडी। आप सोच रहे होंगे कि मैं खाना बनाने वाली हूँ। अरे नहीं नहीं, I have a surprise for you. So let's start.
am Het Prajapati. My maths teacher has asked me to draw angle using protractor, but I couldn't find my protractor. What to do? Idea! Let us make it out of paper. With a square piece of paper, you can make your own protractor. So first, take a square piece of paper, then fold it to the midline and then open it up. Place one corner on the midline such that the crease line passes through the other corner of the square. Now, fold this corner like this. Now, we will able to divide the edge into all three equal parts of 60 degree each. Now we have a triangle whose first angle is 60 degree, the second angle is 90 degree and the third angle is 30 degree. Now we will check what is under this 30 degree. This is 30 degree angle. Now we will divide this angle into two different parts. After dividing into half, this is 60 degree and this is 30 degree. Now dividing this 30 degree into half, this will be 15 degree. The top angle will be 30 degree and the 15 degree. It will be 45 degree. The second angle is 60 degree and the third angle is 75 degree. So, our protractor is ready. From this, we can draw many angles. Friends, you can also make your own protractor. Bye bye.
Sattva Network. Direct Dil Se.
Wow! Thank you, Het, for teaching all of us such an amazing paper protector. आप मेरी इस बात से ज़रूर सहमत होंगे. हमारे देश की महानता के बारे में जितनी बातें की जाएं उतनी कम है. Different invention of science have made our life easy and simple. India has done remarkably well in field of science and technology and made us proud. Let us welcome आरव जोशी, जिनके द्वारा दी गई इन्वेंशंस की जानकारी के बारे में सुनकर आप ज़रूर कहेंगे OMG, ये मेरा इंडिया. कहाँ पर? सिर्फ सत्व नेटवर्क पर, जहाँ है फॉरएवर लर्निंग.
Hello everyone, I am Arav. India is not only the land of snake charmers, but there are a lot of more legacies added to it. Let's know about them. क्या आपको पता है? There are many things invented in India, but we did not know about them. तो चलिए मैं आपको कुछ ऐसी ही discoveries बताता हूँ. Ancient Indian physician Sushruta was credited with being the father of surgery around 600 BC. His books and teachings eventually made their way to Europe centuries later. Historians now know that at least by 200 BC, South India was producing high quality metal using a method the Europeans would call the crucible technique centuries later. This method was even introduced in China by our country. Hindu cosmological time cycles found in the Surya Siddhanta, written between 700 BC and 600 AD. Give the time it takes the earth to revolve around the sun and was the most accurate estimate in the world for over 1,000 years. Sushruta was a great Indian surgeon who is said to have described over 300 surgical procedures and about 120 surgical instruments. Ashwagandha landed on a combination of natural starch from potato and tapioca and vegetable oils to make a bag that looks and feels just like plastic. Only greens bags will naturally degrade in 180 days, but if they are kept in water, they will disappear in one day. Prem Kumar Banthia, a professor Civil Engineering Department has developed roads that are self-repairing and sustainable. The first such road in Karnataka is not only cost-effective but has greater longevity. Arun Cherian has come up with a prosthetic leg for amputees made of cane. It is not only light but much more affordable too. Jawaz Patel, a 22-year-old engineering student from Hyderabad, has designed a 3D printed apparatus which can create water from air. He is the first person from Asia to do so. Central Mechanical Engineering Research Institute developed the solar power tree, which generates the same amount of electricity enough to light up 5 homes, but on a much smaller plot of land. So now you all know about our India's great discoveries. Be proud to be an Indian. Thank you.
Sattva Network, forever learning. Sattva Network.
In 21st century, the world is changing very fast. The role in education and learning in day-to-day living have also changed forever. These skills and values are developed through co-curricular activities. We, in our school, believe in the holistic development of the child. So here is Rayansh, who will update us with some of the Sattva news. Only on Sattva Network, be connected.
The world is so dynamic, and the only thing that is constant is nothing but the change itself. New things happen each moment, and my Sattva is not barred from being dynamic. So here, I am Riyan Shokil from grade 7 for making my Sattva family aware about latest happenings on my school platform. To begin with exams, all the Sattvites are about to accomplish their first milestone with the completion of grade 10 and grade 12 term 1 board examinations and will gear up for the term 2 with great gusto. Achievement meter and unit test are too over and the consequent term begins. The most anticipated platform for the year has its stage ready for anticipating some mind-blowing, fanciful and nerve-wracking performances by our super talented Sattvites. That platform is none other than Sattva's Got Talent. Each year, Sattvites come up with their talents and keep the temperature soaring with the entrancing enactments. Sattva is all decked up to welcome the most beautiful and cheerful festival of the season. You got it right. Yes, I am talking about Christmas. All Sattvites are waiting to put up some amazing performance to welcome our beloved Santa. We are going to experience a cheerful aura around our school, and we are all going to soak in colossal bliss and glee throughout the celebration. So my dear Sattvites, enjoy the breezy weather with super hot cup of coffee or tea. This is me, Riyan Shokil, going off air. Wish you all a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Sattva Network. Dynamic Dil Se.
Boxing for me is the toughest sport. One step, one punch, one round at a time. But that's about boxing sport. Do you even know that people around the world celebrate Boxing Day? But it's not about the sport. Let's know about it from Ahmed Galeria of grade 6. He is here with us on Sattva Network to tell us about the same. Stay tuned only with us on Sattva Network.
Hello my dear friends, myself Ahmed Bilaya from grade 6. I am going to share you an important information about the Boxing Day. Boxing Day is the day after the Christmas Day and falls on 26 December. Boxing Day got its name when Queen Victoria was on the throne in 18th century and has nothing to do with the sport of boxing. Boxing Day is a bank holiday or public holiday that became officially 1871 in some European countries. Boxing Day is celebrated as a second Christmas Day. On this day, a box is made to collect money for the poor and placed in churches on Christmas Day and open the next day for Boxing Day. That's all. Thank you.
Sattva Network. Forever learning. Sattva Network.
હેલો સત્વાઇટ્સ, હાવ આર યુ? ટુડે આઈ એમ ગોઈંગ ટુ ટોક અબાઉટ મેથ. કેટલા લોકોને તો મેથનું નામ સાંભળીને જ ડર લાગી ગયો છે. મને તો બચપનથી મેથથી ડર લાગતો હતો because I never knew of some technique which could make my calculation simpler. But in Sattva Panorama, today we are going to study some tricks about Vedic math. Now Vedic math has its origin in Indian culture. આપણો છે છતાં પણ આપણને ખબર જ નથી. So today, just to be tension free and just to learn something new, we have Heath and Jimit of grade 11 who will show us some techniques of Vedic math and make our math simpler. How much I wish that I was a part of Sattva Network and I was also aware of this trick. Over on to Sattva Network, we have Jimit and Heath on Sattva Panorama. Here we go and learn something.
Hey Heath, how's everything going? All set for exams?
Hi Diman, everything is going well, except one thing.
Which thing, buddy?
Maths.
What's the issue with maths?
यार all concepts are quite clear to me. હું solve કરવાના પણ start કરું છું પણ લાસ્ટના calculation. Oof, it's real headache for me.
Seems like you don't like numbers. Anyways, I hope you already know the divisibility rules.
Yes, I know how to use divisibility rules. But what about other calculations like multiplication, squares, etc.?
Alright, that can also become easier if you try to use techniques from Vedic maths.
Vedic maths? Jimit, can you explain me few techniques?
Yeah, why not? See, if you practice and use this technique most of the time, then only you will be able to learn it.
Alright.
Okay, so let's start by multiplying two-digit numbers by 11. So, 42 times 11. We will write 3 and 2 as it is, and in between we will write the sum of both the numbers, which is 5. So, 42 times 11 gives 352.
Okay.
Now, you try. What is 45 times 11?
4. It will be 495.
See, that's easy.
Okay. So what if the sum is in two digits?
Okay, so let us try 75 times 11. 7 and 5 as it is, and their sum is 12. So we will write 2 here and 1 in the will get carried over, giving us 825 as the final answer.
Oh, I got it.
Now, the other Vedic maths technique is the base method, in which we multiply numbers very close to the powers of 10. That is 10, 100, 1000 and so on. So, if we multiply 99 into 97, 99 is 0, 1 less than 100, so like minus 0, 1, and 97 get minus 0, 3. Now in cross subtraction, we do 99 minus 0, 3, which gives 96, and in the same way 97 minus 0, 1 gives 96. and 01 into 03 will give you 03. So 99 times 97 is 9603. So now you try 99 into 98. 99 is 0. The answer is 9,102. Yes, that is correct. Now, let us take 3-digit numbers. That is 997 into 996. 997 is minus 003 less than 1000. And 996 is minus 004. Now, cross subtraction gives us 993 and 003 into 004 will give 012. So 997 times 996 is 993012. Okay, you see that's how simple it is. I got it. Now, let's try with the base S10. 14 into 12. 14 is plus 04 as compared to 10 and 12 is plus 2. So 14 plus 2 gives 16 and 4 into 2 gives 8. So final answer is 168.
Oh. Very simple.
Okay, so now let's do mental square of numbers greater than 100. 101 into 101. So 101 is 01 times bigger than 100, right? Plus 01 and plus 01. So 101 plus 01 gives 102 and 01 into 01 gives 01. So the square of 101 is 10201. Similarly, square of 102 will be 10404. Now you try the square of 103. That's correct. Now try of 104. Okay. See, that's how easy it is.
Oh, it's very easy.
Now, for squaring two-digit numbers with unit place 5, for example, 25, we'll write the square of 5, that is 25, and into we'll add plus 1, giving 3. So 3 2s are 6. The square of 25 is 625.
Okay.
Now, square of 35 will give 25 and 3 plus 1 4 and 4 3s are 12. 1225. Now, why don't you try the square of 45?
It will be 2025.
Look, wasn't it easy?
Yes. This is so amazing and it's so interesting too. Thanks, brother.
Mention now and all the best for your exams.
Sattva Network. Dynamism Dil Se.
Do you know, not only does 12 plus 1 is equal to 11 plus 2, but the letters 12 plus 1 if rearranged gives you 11 plus 2. Strange, even I got to know this now. Well, small facts lead to great knowledge. In the same way, we have our junior Sattva knowledge guru from grade 5, Mishan, who is here with us to share some mathematical facts with us. So stay tuned with us only on Sattva Network.
Hello friends! Today I will share some facts of mathematics. There are types of interesting numbers in mathematics. One such number is 100. The number 100 does not actually mean 100. It is derived from the Old Norse word 100, which actually means 120. Now friends, let's talk about the number 9. 9 is a magical number. This is because if we multiply any number by 9 and add all the digits of the new number together, the sum will always up to the 9. For example, 8 times 9 is equal to 72. This way, 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Wasn't it interesting? Friends, can you guess what is in my hand? Yes, you guessed it correctly. It is a die. Now let me tell you an interesting fact about a die. All the opposite sides of the die always add up to 7. Friends, do you know 4 is the only number in the English language that is spelled with the same numbers of the letters as the number itself. F-O-U-R, 4. Let us know about the unluckiest number, number 13. The number 13 is commonly considered the unluckiest number around. Those who are superstitious will avoid anything having to do with number 13. Now let's talk about my luckiest number, 7. 7 is the most significant number across religions and cultures. For example, 7 colors in a rainbow, 7 days in a week, and 7 notes on the musical scale, etc. So friends, did you enjoy the interesting facts of the mathematics? Bye bye!
Sattvites, do you know once I had a student, okay, and I told her that if I gave you 3 rabbits today and then if I gave you 5 rabbits tomorrow, total how many rabbits would you have? So my student replied, "Ma'am, 9 rabbits." I said, "How? If I give you 3 today and then 5 tomorrow, it would be 8, right?" So she said, "Yes, ma'am, but I already have 1 rabbit at home." Yes, so children, with more such math jokes, let us welcome Heath, Shivam, and they of grade 8 who are going to come and make you laugh on more such math jokes only on Fun Hit Mein Jari on Sattva Network. Sikho Sikhao Mauj Manao.
Hey, Shiva, how are you? It's long time we spent time together.
Yeah, it's true. So what are you planning today?
Let's play mathematics game today.
Wow, it would be a great fun. So let's start.
Do you know what did the triangle say to the circle?
It said it is pointless.
Good, good. plow fields?
Oh, with a protractor.
Let me ask one question to Shiva. Shiva, do you know why was 6 afraid of 7?
Yeah, it's so easy. Wait. Because 7, 8, 9.
Good. You guys are doing great. Okay, another one. And this is for Dhir. Dhir, what will happen if I had an argument with 90-degree angle?
So can I say?
Yeah, sure.
So it turns out as it was right. Okay, let me ask you a question. Why did the students do multiplication problems on the floor?
Because the teacher told them not to use the tables.
Or let me ask you another question. Which tables we don't have to learn?
It's so easy, bro. Dinner tables.
Another one. Why was the maths book so sad?
Because it has so many problems. Let me ask you the last one. What do you find the most valuable thing in a maths classroom?
A tender.
It was really fun playing a maths game.
I hope everyone enjoyed it.
Just like we us. I'm feeling so hungry now.
Me too.
Let's have some snacks.
हेलो सत्वाइस, हम आ गए हैं हमारे आखिरी पड़ाव पे। आज का हमारा सफर यहीं तक का था। हम फिर मिलेंगे सत्व नेटवर्क के नए एपिसोड में। तब तक हमसे जुड़े रहिए। एपिसोड को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें। फिर मिलते हैं। बाय।